Hey everyone, I'm Leslie. Welcome to my channel. This project is inspired from this picture I have had on my Pinterest board for a long time, searching for the perfect basket. I finally saw this little basket at Goodwill for $4. It's not vintage, but I knew I could make it look old and make it my own. I knew I wanted my basket to be like the one in the picture. I wanted it to be an antiqued white, and black was the perfect color for underneath. I used Rust-Oleum's spray chalk paint in the color linen white and gave it 2 good coats. Now I'm going to take the little wooden handle and I want to make it French blue. I'm using DIY paint in Prom Queen. That is such a pretty French blue color, especially after it has an antiquing glaze. I forgot to add that after the white spray paint had dried, I gave it some distressing. You can do as much, as little, or not at all as far as the distressing. After 2 coats of the color Prom Queen, I'm going to sand and wet distress the wooden handle. Now I'm going to be taking my Waverly antiquing wax that's mixed with some water, and I'm going to give the whole basket a coat of this antiquing wax and wipe it back. This basket would be perfect for any room in your house, and you could fill it with whatever treasures you want. I can just picture this filled with special things that every time you walk by, you're just in love with everything you see. I knew I wanted a tree displayed in mine, just like in the Pinterest picture, and I needed the back of it to be flat so it would fit in there and lay perfectly. So instead of buying a tree that would cost more, I had a wreath that I had purchased at Goodwill. It was like $2.99. So I decided I would cut about 8-9 inches in length and use that for my tree. The back would be flat. I could adjust the bristles however I wanted. I took just a simple pair of scissors, and as I got to the top of the tree, of course, I trimmed them a little bit shorter and made the shape of my tree. I absolutely loved the way this little tree turned out. And as far as the wreath goes, I'm going to cut it up and make different sized trees for more projects. The main part of this project is now complete. I have the basket finished and I have the little tree to fit inside. You could use any kind of tree you want. It doesn't have to be the little pine tree. Now all that's left to do is figure out what room you want to put it in and fill it with treasures that every time you walk by it, you just love everything you're seeing. If you like this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. It helps my channel grow. Thank you again for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you.